So what is the formula of past tense? The rule of the past tense is Dev. Now, for example, we have verb parley. Now, parley is my verb to speak. Okay.
Uh, Okay.
Now, see, if we take the example of English past tense, what you did, speak, spoke, spoken, clear.
Clear.
Why it's spoke and spoken? You learn, or is it a formula? Tell me.
The form I've learned also and some formula.
Formula, okay. Then we have talk. Then why it's when speak, spoke, spoken? Why it's not talken? Why it's talked? If there is a
Yeah,
formula,
I mean
then
I've
why?
learned it all.
Right, it is by heart only. For example, we have verb find. I cannot say find it. I can say found. Then why? What is the reason behind this? It means entire verbs. No, it is not nod. It's
Uh,
no new non. See, for a new learner, it is very tough. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
But it's easy for you. Why? Because since childhood you are doing this. Clear?
Clear.
It means your past in any language, it is something you have to understand by heart. One thing you have to understand, see, past is very easy in French. It is not we have two types, three types of verb, speak, spoke, spoken, no. See, if the verb is ending from er, right, then you have a
Mm.
past is e, a wala sign. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear, Dev? That sound
Yeah.
is a in French. Tell me, Dev.
A. Yeah.
A wala sign. This right
Uh,
hand side wala. Clear? Now, for example,
yeah.
your verb ashate. Ashate, we have verb to buy. Ashate. We
Mm.
have verb manger. Manger, we have verb to eat. If I asked you, tell me the past of manger. So what you will do? You have to, what you will do? Tell me.
Manja again. I have to learn it.
No, no, simple. You will do M-A-N-G-E and
Mm.
E we have a symbol that is manger. This is my past. Clear? In case of past, I have to remove er with e running verb and I have to make now, for example, verb ashate. Ashate is my verb to buy. Ashate is my verb to buy. Clear? So if I will
Clear.
say bring, okay, buy, the bought. So egg. You see, it's very easy in French, but in English, bought. Why bought? It's very big spelling you have to learn. I bought a
Mm.
flower, but I bring a flower. I purchased. So one thing you have to understand, Dave, if your verb is ending from er, your past would be egu. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? Now, one thing you have to understand, Dave, in case of past tense, clear,
Mm.
you have to use our verb, either verb. Yes, that's a rule in French. In case of past tense, either you have to use our present tense, yes, or either you have to use present tense. That's a rule. Now, for example, if I will say I purchased, it means I ashate is my verb to buy. Clear? Ashate is my verb to buy.
Yeah.
I bought. So what I will do? First, premièrement. मेरे साथ साथ बोलो लैंग्वेज को बोलो premièrement. बोलो premièrement.
Premièrement.
Premièrement, c'est-à-dire quoi? Premièrement. Now, first of all, premièrement.
Premièrement.
Premièrement, it means first of all. Premièrement. If I
Premièrement.
want to convert
Uh,
my ashate verb, right?
uh,
Ashate verb, right? So I have to, what I have to do? first, by default, I have to use our present tense. If I'm using I, what is I, our? Je, tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Je, then I can make the past participle of the verb, which is ashate. Is it clear to you, Jay?
Yeah.
Clear, Jay? You there?
Yes,
Late
sir.
हो गए बच्चे Jay
Yes.
आप? Okay. We are doing Jay past tense, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You know what is past tense, Jay? Very simple. If the verb is ending from er, your er is converted into egu, a symbol. Ashate, a symbol. Manger, a symbol. This is my past. And in case of past, you have, it's a rule, you have to use either our present tense or either h present tense. I will explain to you which verb belongs to h present tense and which verb belongs to our present tense. Clear?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give the list of those verbs, right? So for example, you will say I spoke. They're very important. So tell me, I spoke. What is our I? Je? Clear?
Je parle.
Yes. For this reason, our être is the base of the French. So you have to be very much expert. Dave, can you tell me our tenses in terms of our conjugation in terms of I, tu, il, el?
Yeah. Ja, tu, illel, nu, wu,
No,
illel.
no, 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 no. I need a conjugation. Our conjugation I need.
Conjugation.
Tell me. Je, देव पूरा प्रैक्टिस करना है, ये तो एक स्टार्टर का है, ये तो
अच्छा,
हमने पहले
our conjugation. Okay, got it. Tu, jai, jai, tu,
je, chua, ilela, nous avons. It
Zavo.
has to be in your tips because we are cracking the TEF over here, TEF. And TEF के लिए you have to work hard. Clear? Because this is very base, our very common. Clear?
Hmm.
What is H present tense? Tell me. फटाफट.
Tu, tu se, illel se,
ना.
nu
Je
samo,
suis tu a, tu sais नहीं है, tu a,
tu a,
il a.
illel,
You have to understand the spelling also. Nous sommes,
nu
vous
som,
êtes,
vous êtes,
clair,
illel pas.
ils, elles sont. This is the terms which you have to practice. Clear? Because you know, Dev, what is TEF? TEF is a very beautiful pattern of French language. You know, to reach out at those level, obviously you're getting a training for this, but obviously it is something which we require from your side, right? So, for example, we have verb aimer, adore. What is aimer? Tell me, what is aimer verb? Aimer is my verb to like, clear? And adore is my verb to love. Is it clear to you, Dave?
Yeah.
Have you done aimer adore verb?
Aimer, adore, we have not done.
Aimer is my verb to like. So how to conjugate aimer verb in terms of present tense? Tell me. How to conjugate aimer verb in terms of present tense? What is the formula of ear ending verb in terms of present tense, Dave?
For ER pending work, for RE we have done, it is SS.
No, no, no,
Then
no. We have
Sir, E,
yes,
ES,
Dave, practice, bro. You need a practice. Without practice, there is it is see obviously it has to be in your tips. I'm telling you, from tomorrow onwards, entire thing has to be in your tips. Vous devez consacrer le temps avec votre étude. Vous devez passer le temps avec votre étude. You have to spend the time with the studies. No matter how much busy you are, because it's a TEF you're doing. Clear? TEF is very simple. Journey would be very easy if you do practice. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's very simple. Present tense, aimer. Jam, what will do? Jam. You came to know why it's jam?
yes, sir, because
Why
E,
jam? Tell me, Dev. Can you
E
explain
and
why it
A,
is
they
why
both
it's
are
jam?
vowels.
Yes, jam. Chum. Is it clear to you, Dev? And
Yes.
ending is EES.
Yeah, so that's why it is.
Il, LM, very important. Nous aimons, vous aimez, c'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah.
And ils aiment. Now, what is the past tense of aimer verb? I liked. So, year ending verb, it is converted into am, aim, eagu. Tell me yes and no. What is the past tense of aimer verb? Tell me. That year ending verb is converted into aim, eagu. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? Then what you will do?
Yes.
You have to use our present tense. Tell me I liked Dave. What it could be I liked.
Jim.
J'ai आगे.
J aim.
J'ai aimé. आपको ना read aloud करना है मेरे साथ देव. You have to read aloud with me. What I am saying to you, you have to speak after me so that your tongue will get something used to the language. बोलो, speak after me. J'ai aimé.
J aimé.
J'ai aimé.
Tu as aimé. Répétez après moi. Tu
Tu
as
as
aimé.
aimé.
C'est clair.
Tu as aimé.
Q a aimé.
Elle a aimé. C'est clair.
Elle a aimé.
C'est clair. Nous avons
Yes.
aimé. Répétez après moi. Nous avons
Nous avons
aimé.
aimé.
C'est clair.
Claire.
D'accord. Vous avez aimé.
Vous avez aimé.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you? And elles ont aimé. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Tell me.
Yeah.
Very simple. Is it clear to you? Past tense. Dev and Jay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
see,
sir.
tomorrow you have to participate with me in live theater. मैं आपको script दूंगा, उस script की हम practice करेंगे and tomorrow you have to participate. Clear? Okay. Okay, Dev and Jay.
Yes, sir.
Dev, is it clear to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now we have verb adore. Adore is my verb to love. Clear? Now, for example, adore is to love. So tell me how to conjugate adore verb in terms of present tense. Tell me, Dev. Can I do like that? J'adore. Tell me.
Adore, like adore.
J'adore. Tu adores.
Adore.
Elle adore. Nous adorons. C'est clair, Dev. Vous adorez. C'est clair. And elles adorent. Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Can you convert adore verb in past and send it back to me on my WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Tell and send it me.
Okay, sir.
Convert adore verb in past tense and send it to me, please.
I've sent, sir. I have sent, sir.
Okay, very good, Dev. Say excellent, excellent, Dev. Very good. जय आपने भेज दिया बच्चे?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you came to know. Now, for example, let's हम कुछ verbs पे काम करते हैं. जैसे for example, verb travailler. Travailler is my verb to work. बोलो travailler.
Travailler.
Travailler is to work. Is it clear to you? काम करना travailler. Convert करो team फटाफट. Make it fast. I'm writing the verbs. You have to convert the verbs in past tense. Make it fast, please. Travailler. Convert, please. फटाफट. Convert the verb. Demande is my verb to request, to ask. Demande is my verb to request, to ask. Pen down, please. What is demande verb? Demande we use lot of time in TEF. Pose. Pose is my verb to ask. Dave, you there?
Yeah, yeah.
So repeat after me. Demande. मेरे साथ repeat करोगे सब verbs को. Demande. Demande because tomorrow we will do TEF theater. उसमें हम ये verb we will use the same vocabularies. So demande, pose is my verb to ask. Clear? Okay. Pen down, please, and convert these verbs in past tense. Make it fast, please. Ale is my verb to go. Team, one thing you to understand, ale जो आपका conjugate होगा, that conjugate with eth verb. I will tell you what are the verbs which conjugate with eth verb, because we have two families, ether and avoir. Claire, ale you have to conjugate with ale to conjugate with eth verb. Say Claire. D'accord? Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast, please. Okay. Conjugate. Hi, Shumnit. How are you? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Shubnik. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, Shumnik. Shumnik, we are doing past verbs, right? So past.
Yeah.
Okay. So convert past tense. 1 second, please. 1 second.
Mhm.
Hi Shubnik, we are doing past verbs. Okay, just for
Okay,
example,
sir.
we have travailler, demande, poser, aller. You know past verb, right?
Yes.
Okay, so convert these verbs in past. Fatafat, Shubnik. Travailler convert in past, passé composé. Demande convert, poser you have to convert in past. Fatafat. And send it back to me on the
तो
WhatsApp.
ये ऊपर वो
Aller,
F1.
because tomorrow we have a
Okay.
TEF theater, oral A theater, right? So we are doing these things. Claire, convert
Okay,
these
sir.
things in past tense.
Okay. Sir.
Travailler, demander, poser, aller. Aller belongs to its family verb, Shubni, right?
Yes, sir.
Poser belongs to our family verb.
Yes, sir.
Anna, demander, travailler is my our family verb. So poser, demander, travailler is my our, and aller
हाँ जी.
is my être family
H.
verb. Say Claire, convert it out, please.
Ye-
Make it fast. Jay, are you doing past verb?
Send
ये
sir.
सा ये सारे के साथ करना सर ज त्यू इल
Yes,
वो
yes, yes, yes.
है.
Hello. Okay. Travailler, demander, poser, aller. Claire. मुझे एक एक करके भेज दो, आले करके भेज दो, एक दमोंदे करके भेज दो, फिर मैं आपको आगे करवाता हूँ वर्ब्स का ना.
हाँ जी सर.
फटाफट. देव, did you send Dev? Dev, did you send the past? Hello, Dev.
Sending, sir, sending.
Okay. Jay, did you send? Jay?
Yes sir, already sent sir.
Okay, all right. Okay. We are moving forward. They've sent it to me. Yeah, exactly. I got it now. Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. I got it. Now, team, one thing you have to understand. We have verb voir. Voir is my verb to see, and lire is my verb to read, which we use in TEF section A. Section in your TEF section A oral, I start my first line from after using voir and lead verb. Say Claire. Now, team, voir is my verb to see. Is it clear to you? And lire is my verb to read. Repete après moi. Voir. Voir is my verb to see. And
What
lire
is my
is my
verb to
verb to
see?
read. It is not
Lead
like
is my
English. It's very simple. What is the past tense of voir? The past tense of voir is
view.
view. Say Claire. And the past tense
Yes.
of leave is live.
Liu.
Say Claire, Dave, and Jen.
Claire.
Obviously, if I will say I saw, I have to use our family verb j'ai vu. I read in terms of past, I read. So j'ai lu. Say Claire. Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So let me conjugate voir verb in terms of present tense. So what is the present tense of voir verb? Je vois, tu vois. This is my verb which you have to understand by heart in terms of present tense because there is no ending. So repeat karo Dev. Je vois,
Java,
Je vois.
tu vois,
You
Cuba,
were.
You vois.
and you have to understand the spelling also. Say Claire. These are the verbs wherein we do not have formula basically. So je vois is to I see. Tu
Je
vois is to you see.
You
Il,
vois.
elle voit is to he, she see. Nous voyons is to we see.
You voyons.
Vous voyez is to you see. And
voyez.
il,
Vous
elle
voyez.
voit.
On
Is
voit.
it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, team? Clear? So
Yes.
repeat
Yes,
after me, please. Repeat karo, please. Je vois. Repeat after me,
Je
please.
vois.
Je vois.
Tu vois.
Tu
Tu
vois.
vois.
Hmm?
Il elle voit.
Il elle voit, nous voyons,
Nous voyons.
Nous
vous
voyons.
voyez, il
Vous
elle
Vous
voit.
voyez. Il elle voit.
Now we have lire. Now over here, before lire, I want to make you to understand boire verb. Boire is my verb to drink, which is very similar to the voir verb. Boire is my verb to drink. So I can say je bois, the same ending OIS. Say Claire. Tu
Yes.
bois, the same ending OIS. Il, elle boit, the same ending is
Bois.
OIT. Say Claire, Dave. Tell me.
Nous buvons.
So nous buvons. Nous
Buvons.
buvons. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Vous buvez.
Vous.
Say Claire.
Yes,
And
sir.
il, elle
Oui.
boivent. Say
Bois.
Claire. So je bois, tu bois, il, elle boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, il, elle boivent. Is it clear to you? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है Dev?
Yes, sir.
Then what is lead verb? Lead is my verb to read. So repeat after me. Je lis, tu lis,
Joli. Joli.
il, elle lit,
Il lit.
nous lisons,
Nous lisons.
vous lisez,
Vous lisez.
and il, elle lit.
Il lit.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then we have faire verb. Is my verb to make and to do. Je fais, c'est clair.
Okay.
Tu fais,
Tu
c'est
fais.
clair.
Okay.
Il, elle fait,
Il,
c'est
elle
clair.
fait.
Nous faisons, c'est clair. These are the verbs, Dev and Jay,
Vous faites.
which you have to understand by heart. Il, elle font. ये चाहिए practice in verbs पे. These are the verbs. Je fais is to I do. Tu fais is to you do.
You do.
Il, elle fait. Dev, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Nous faisons. You have to pen down these verbs 4 times, 5 times, and submit back to me. This would be your task. Entire verb you have to write down a lot of time, 2 times at least, and you submit back to me. And practice these with, because these are the verbs, base of the verb in the French language. C'est clair?
Claire.
Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Now, for example, voir, pepe, the past is view, lead past is lieu, then boire past is view. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Fair past is FAIT. These terms you have to understand, like you understand in English also. Talk, talk, talk. Find, find it, find it. No, it's found, find, found, found. Why? When talk, talked, talked, then why cannot find, find it, find it? No, it should be found. It means you learn by heart. So it is just you have to understand few things. Voir, view, lieu, boire, view, and fair is fake. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Clear? If I will make I did, what to say I did? Tell me, Dev. I did, we have to use j'ai fait. Is it clear, Dev?
Yes, sir.
Dev, tell me, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Clear.
If I will say I read, मैंने पढ़ा, past में, j'ai lu, say clair. If I say I drank, j'ai bu, say clair.
You.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you, did you understand the concept of present and past? Tell me, team.
Yes, sir.
So may I rub this?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, team, we have 3 verbs which is very important. I'm going to explain to you again. Vouloir. What is vouloir? Is my verb to want. Say Claire.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me the past of vouloir. Voulu.
Gulu.
You ending. Ending is you. Either it is ending from, see, in French past, either it could be E, a symbol, U, or either it can be a T. Simple. Say Claire. So vouloir, voulu. So I wanted what? Avoir, j'ai voulu. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Dev.
Yes, sir.
What is pouvoir, Dev? Have you done pouvoir present tense, Dev?
Yes, sir.
What is pouvoir present tense, Dev?
Japa. Japa.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So you understand, Jay, है ना? We have done pouvoir, japat, super, Jay.
Yes.
So pouvoir pepe is pew. Could. Pouvoir is can. Could is pew. So I could. J'ai pew. Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Claire. Now we have davar. Tell me, Dev, have you done davar verb?
Yes, sir. Must. To must.
Yes. So what is davar verb? Tell me the conjugation of davar verb.
Jadwi. Jadwi.
Dua.
Jadva. Jadva. आपके पास है conjugation आपकी लिखी हुई आपके पास है मुझे करके भेजो फिर davar verb का present tense send it to me on the WhatsApp or either you can say jadva chudva you know davar verb ना
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो davar का पेपे क्या होगा due the past of davar is due so vulu you ending puvar you ending and davar due is it इसका पास क्या होगा फिर due is it clear to you
Yes, sir.
is it clear to you team
Yes, sir.
Dev is it clear to you I had to I have to I must I had to due say Claire is it clear to you all of you
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now team if I asked you what is savar verb present tense तो क्या होगा हमारा savar present tense team tell me Dev
Just say.
Yes, sir.
just say clear था Dev
Yes, sir. Just.
There is.
you say Jay is it clear to you
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ilal say
Savo,
nu savo Claire
Gusave,
who save
sir.
and
Ilal
ilal
sav.
sav Claire is it clear to you Dev is it clear to you
Yes, sir.
savar pepe is you so I knew क्या हो जाएगा tell me yes you is it इसका प्रैक्टिस करना है पहले क्योंकि टेस्ट में हमारा पास्ट में लिखने के लिए आता है 100 वर्ड्स सेक्शन बी में सो हमें पास्ट का बहुत प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए से क्लियर इसी रीजन से मैं
Yes,
आपको
sir.
प्रेजेंट एंड पास्ट यहाँ पे मिक्स कर रहे हैं से क्लियर इज इट
Yes.
क्लियर टू यू टीम
Yes, sir.
Yes.
क्लियर
Yes, sir.
now okay we have verb dir what is dir verb dir is my verb to say dir is my verb to say
Say.
Claire is it clear to
Yes.
you so tell me what
Yes.
is dir verb present tense
Jadi.
Jadi. Tudi.
jadi yes chudi spelling
No
is
dis.
dis है ना
Yes. Yes.
नो दिसो है ना अभी किया ना वो दीद इरल दीस दीर का पास क्या होगा डी आई टी दी तो आई टोल्ड क्या होगा टीम दी से क्लियर
Yes, sir.
इज इट क्लियर टू यू
We.
क्लियर टीम वी हैव वर्ब फ्रॉन्थ्र व्हाट इज फ्रॉन्थ्र वर्ब टेल मी देव
To take.
फ्रॉन्थ्र इज अ वर्ब टू टेक
To take.
now this is re ending verb so what is the formula of re ending verb s
S.
s blank
ONS. EZ. ENT.
तो हमने किया प्रॉन्थ वर्ब पहले देव एंड जय
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
हैव यू डन राइट तो निकालो फिर प्रॉन्थ वर्ब क्या आएगा je prends tu prends il elle prend nous prenons vous prenez il elle prennent is it clear to you
Yes.
देव
Yes, sir.
लिखा हुआ है ना आपने प्रॉन्थ वर्ब
हाँ.
सो
Yes,
प्रॉन्थ
sir.
का पास क्या होगा प्री PRIS फ्रॉन्थ का पास क्या होगा फ्री तो क्या हो जाएगा आई टुक जे फ्री और ये जितनी भी कॉन्जुगेशन मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ पास्ट में, आपको लिख लिख के मुझे भेजनी है। जितनी भी हम कर रहे हैं आपको उसका प्रेजेंट एंड पास्ट लिख के सबमिट करना है। इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now we have verb confront because these are very important things because tomorrow से हम टेफ के पैटर्न को पिक कर रहे हैं। सो ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है। कॉम्फ्रोंद्र का पास्ट क्या होगा? कॉम्फ्री, क्योंकि है तो वो प्रोंद्र ना, है तो टीम वो प्रोंद्र।
Yes.
सो फ्री, ओके। अप्रोंद्र is my verb to learn. अप्रोंद्र, क्लियर? अप्रोंद्र का पास्ट क्या होगा?
Yes.
अप्री,
Pre-
क्योंकि प्री तो लगेगा ना, प्रोंद्र प्री PRIS से क्लियर। सो आई
Yes.
लर्न क्या होगा देव? टेल मी, आई लर्न इन पास्ट, व्हाट यू विल मेक?
जब कब 15
j'ai appris, से क्लियर, j'ai
Yes. Sir.
appris.
Yeah, free.
Is it clear to you? Tell me team,
Yes, sir.
clear हो रहा है आपको सारा?
Yes.
Clear? So now for example, now team we are working for ironing verb. We have lot of ironing verbs and which is very very important verb. Ir ending verb. Is it clear to you team?
Yes, sir.
Team, we have verb schwazir. Repeat after me. Schwazir. Funir. Repeat after me. Finir. Reusir. Team repeat करो मेरे साथ आप.
Yes.
Elargir.
Elash.
Agrandir.
Akrondi.
Now team, बोलो schwazir. Repeat after me. Schwazir.
Shwazir.
Schwazir is my verb to
Schwazir.
choose.
Shwazir is my verb to choose.
Punir.
Punir is my verb to punish. Repeat after me. Punir is my verb
is
to
my verb
punish.
to punish.
To punish.
Finir, क्योंकि these are the verbs. Finir is my verb to finish. Reusir is my verb to success. Dev, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Agrandir
Success.
is to,
Akrondi.
yes, is to enlarge. Agrandir. Repeat after me.
Agrandir.
Agrandir. Agrandir is my verb to
Agrandir.
enlarge. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now team, definir is my verb to define. Definir. Repeat after me
Definir.
team. Definir.
Definir.
I'm giving you some verbs. उसका formula आपको मैं दूंगा and you have to conjugate. जैसे definir, what lot of verb will do? Pen down please. एतुर्दीर. Team very important. अच्छा मुझे उतना बताना जितना आपको पिछला अभी हमने वो भी किया है. You can stop me. जितना आप कर सको, लर्न कर सको उतना बताना मेरे को आप, ठीक है? एतुर्दीर is a verb to stun, you know, हैरान रह जाना. फ्रॉन्शीर. Franchir is my verb to clear the obstacles. Franchir. Is it clear to you? Nurir. Nurir is a verb to nourish. Up team, what is the formula of ironing verb? The formula of ironing verb is IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Is it clear to you, Dev?
Yes, sir.
Dev, this is a formula. और हमने किया है पहले ironing verb, Dev?
नहीं.
So this is the formula of ironing verb. Very simple. You have to eliminate ir from the end. So what are you left with? CHOIS. Tell me. Dev? Because you have to remove ir from the end. So you left with CHOIS. Claire?
Yes, yeah.
Say Claire.
Claire.
CHOIS. CHOIS. CHOIS and CHOIS. So I choose je choisis. You choose tu choisis. He she choose. Elle choisit. Nous choisissons, we choose. Is it clear to you team? Dev.
Yes, sir.
Vous choisissez and elle choisit. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Claire.
entire verb will be conjugate like that. You have to remove IR and you have to insert IS, ISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, and ISSENT. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Dev, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I will say the past, if I will say the past of Shwazir verb, the past of Shwazir is Shwazi. The past of Shwazir is Shwazi. That thing you have to understand. So I chosen क्या हो जाएगा? Ye Shwazi. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Tell me. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, punir verb is my verb to punish. Say Claire.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So punir, you can do because this is an ironing verb and you can apply the same formula and you have to do the practice. Clear? You have to do it yourself. Can you do that, Dev? Present tense of ironing verbs, these.
Yes, sir. Today I'll
So
now I'll do.
punir pepe is puni. Puni. So I punished, je puni. Finir pepe is fini. So I finished is je fini. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Dev.
Yes, sir.
Reusir pepe is reusi. Simple team. Puni, fini, reusi. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me yes and
Yes.
no. Say
Yes,
Claire.
sir.
The same we have agrondi. Definitely just we have to remove RRR from the end and it is my past. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
With I ending verb, your past would be you have to remove R, it will be past. And you have to make a formula of our present verb. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dev, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Dev, count how many verbs we have done today. All these verbs. और आपको कितना, or you have to send it back to me entire task of present and past.
Okay.
Shubnik, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Count please.
Front sheet क्या था sir?
Is
इसका
to
meaning?
clear the obstacles.
Clear the
Okay.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
your barriers.
Almost 31, 32, sir.
How many verbs we have?
31, almost 31.
31. अब इन 31 verbs को present and past में मुझे बना के भेजो. This would be your task.
Okay.
Can you do that, Dev?
Yeah, I can.
Jay, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Shubni, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
शुभनी आपका थोड़ा हाफ एन आवर का मिस हो गया था, कोई नहीं, वो आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. ठीक है, कल हम टैब से में एंटर करें तो 3 o'clock 3:15 तक हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन. ठीक है, 3:15 तक आप आ जाना.
Okay.
ओके,
ठीक है.
तो कल हमारा
हाँ जी.
टैब का थिएटर है. तो पहले मुझे ये बना के भेजो टीम, फिर हम कल टैब के थिएटर्स करेंगे बैक टू बैक. सेक्शन ए क्लियर? ओके देव?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये सेशन रिकॉर्डिंग पे है. आई विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग. ओके, यू नीड द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दिस सेशन देव?
Yes, sir, I need.
So I will share the recording. Watch this recording. Say Claire. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
ठीक है. चलो, I will meet you tomorrow then. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.